Tewa kura wo Asante Bosomtwe mensi no mo na mpanifo bo amane se nyame ya adom na bibia deda na kwam na so haw bia betwintwa wo manam ahwe bi ayasabe a wo mosi wo sampotem ho ne de wo mbawie na wadane ama aban se ne be ya apomode ho nsem fa wo manfo wo mpotem ho no wo benya won chefa.
This hospital has a little bit of history. The arrangements to bring in a contractor to do 8 hospitals, including this one, started from President Komfort's time.
Aha, Asante Ayasabia, Ewosewua, Bosomtwe mensimu. We eka Ayasabia enwochia. Ghana buying etwa sikabotini. America dollar opepe ahasan aduasan kroa. Gov't the invest contractors adwumakuo no na esie. Sawua Ayasabia beto so miensa ewa Asante a eso ne baye. So we confirm noche and afe asojafo ya Asabia meche military hospital o sie ewa feria befa empa hanumu we eye Ayasabia wasi no abefo kwan so a bibia ewo abefo Ayasabia mu no ebi wa ha ebi ene baabi obeje ema wo ahwe abotafo a sanso ene baabi a obeye aprehan baabi a obeje nipa wato pitie ato ene afoforo a eka ho Sadia abefo Ayasabia bia tie no sanso ana sewua Ayasabia no tie a watwene baabi a mpomode adwumafo beda ewom se wotintim fidie wo ha asidan na wie de aka ne se obebie Ayasabia no nanso no nyina kire no anyade a manfo enya Ayasabia so mfaso resident engineer Ami Farouk Mahmoud kire mu de ntia enei wontumi nane Ayasabia no ema aban.
We have a critical problem for the power. We have 2 powerhouses here in the project, but the power source is not connected to the powerhouse. Number 2 is the access road. We have a contractor for Ghana Highway Authority. They started the work, but they stopped for more than 6 months. The road is barely motorable, so for the patients and for the visitors, it will be very hard for them to come.
Apomodin so for kwaku ajima menu ajia tumuse. Aban wa sadi sese wo ya ode ye kwan na fo twenkanea ekosewua Ayasabia ha
mfidie ni ade nyina ba ye ho adwuma problem kakra ye wo ye kwana ye de be free krum aba ena fe nkanea ye de be join national grid no eno so ye tu hwana mo no kese pa me the precious energy minister no so ye mi no so ye push finance se be benya ska estimate abaya mai na ye tumi de proper national grid no abisi na fe ye their power aha no. We have had 1 or 2 meetings with the president himself. He's putting pressure in addition to ours. Now we believe we will get some money to get these things done as quickly as we can.
Sanso ana sewua Ayasabia ene infectious disease treatment center ena boshia. Saasuye ayasuye a obehwe nipa wanyansa yade a aban kire se wode COVID-19 sika bi enisiye. Oyime tawia ma ne boni firi Kumase.